Hi guys, and welcome to today's task. For today's task, I'm going to show you how to clean your disposal inside of it with a few different methods. The first method is actually kind of a TikTok trend I've seen, but I think it works, so we're going to try it out using just plain ice. The second method is a tried and true baking soda and vinegar mix down your disposal and sink. And I know this one does work pretty well, so we're going to do it as well. And then last but not least, this is something I saw actually is a store-bought version of this that will kind of help clean it as well. I think these are roughly the same thing. I don't really know, but we're going to try it out and see how clean they make our sink. So the other day I was actually doing the dishes. No, actually, I do the dishes all the time. The other day I was doing the dishes and I noticed it and I could smell it right now. I could smell a odor that's coming through that is awful to me. It is just makes the kitchen not feel as clean as it looks. My wife and I take pride in keeping our kitchen very, very clean and keeping the dishes done. We don't have a dishwasher, so if they're in the sink, they've got to be done. And we like to keep the sinks clean, so it's just one of those things that we stay on top of really, really well. But I can just smell a bad odor and I want it gone. And I'm positive it's my disposal. And there's a couple things we need to do to clean this out. One of the first places that we really want to start to eliminating odor out of this sink is this rubber grommet that kind of protects you and water splashback from the disposal. This grommet is not removable on all sinks, but if it is, you need to pull it out and you need to douse it in some dishwashing fluid and wash the heck out of this thing, because I can smell the odor in this already. The next step would be to take your rag and wash everything inside that and see if you bring up any dirt and a piece of a corn from popcorn that we made. But you really have to get in that and clean that out. And I actually am seeing a little bit of a line there on my rag, which tells me there's dirt and just, I don't know, waste that hasn't gone down the sink very well. So clean this out as well. But how do you clean the inside of your disposal? There is a trick that we're going to try, and I'm just as naive to this as you guys might be. Maybe you're experts at this, but they say if you put ice in there, pack it in tight, turn the hot water on, it will actually like pull all kinds of garbage out. So we're going to try it and see what it does. So we take our whole thing of ice, create a lot of noise, pack it in there. I really hope I don't break anything. I'm nervous as heck about this. Breaking something, we'll just have to see. It says to turn the hot water on and turn this thing on. Well, method number one, I mean, I did see some debris come up out of here, and hopefully you guys could see in the screen a little bit of dirt came up off that. I don't think it smells much cleaner though, so I mean, realistically, I just don't know that that's really sanitizing that thing, but maybe it's just cleaning some of the dirt out of there. To me, that looks like a pretty clean disposer, whatever you want to say. If you're Richard Trethewey, you'll call it a disposer. I call it a disposal, that's just what I've always been told, but whatever. It doesn't matter. It does the same job regardless of what you call it. I only have about a half a box left, so I am going to dump most of that in there. Just pack that in. I think the more the merrier, I hope. I mean, I could be really screwing things up. We'll find out. Pour our vinegar in, wait for this reaction. Gonna start fizzing. Wowzers, look at that thing go. Now to turn the disposal on. And some water. Whew. Oh, the vinegar smells terrible. But... So my odor is still not completely gone. I feel like there's more cleaning that needs to be done on this thing. I mean, I just still smell it on my hands a little bit, and I think I should definitely take a rag and some soap and clean that up a little bit, but let's do one last method and just see. Maybe all three are necessary, to make this finally clean. I'm not partial to any brand of these. I just happen to find these. They're pretty cool. They're a little bag that you actually put inside the disposal on its own. And I don't know quite what this one's gonna do, so I think I'm gonna put the Rubber Grommet back on just to be safe. Okay, on the back it gives you instructions to have the water indirectly on the sink, so somewhere not shooting straight in, just to the side, and it shows to have it as hot water. Turn that on. Then place your packet down in with the disposal off. Then turn on your disposal. Oh, it sucked it down in. Oh. So clearly I'm getting a good reaction. That is sudsing up better than anything that I've seen. It's actually been putting it into the other sink, which is a good sign. Wow, okay, that's good. And it says on the instructions to let this run for 1 to 2 minutes. So that's a pretty long run time, but I can actually hear the foam still down in there. I'm gonna try and just get some of this to go back down in. Keep that foam going. And believe it or not, for the first time I'm actually smelling good smell come out of this. And now I'm starting to see that sink actually drain as well. So I really feel like that, I don't know, consumes the entire plumbing system for just a minute and helps it really get all the odors and bacteria that sticks to the parts of your pipe that never really get touched, or maybe the back of the teeth of the disposal that never get cleaned. I think that really, really helps. I mean, that smells a lot better than it has. That definitely smells a lot better than it has, so I definitely feel like these kind of work the best, but I really think it was a combination of all three. The ice to break everything up, it clearly pulled up some dirt that wasn't able to get to when it runs on normal, and then the baking soda just kind of helps break up stuff as well. And I will link these down in the description down below as well if you're interested in some. I think they're a good purchase. It does say to use them weekly though, so that seems a little extreme, but for every once in a while when you want to do a deep clean, I think they're a great option. If you guys liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Oh, sorry, baby.
Hello, doggy. Hello. Hello.
Hi, guys, and welcome. Hi, guys, and the first mess, what am I saying? Hold on. Douse it in water. Better mop this up before my wife gets home.